The founding national chairmo of African Democratic Congress (ADC), Ralph Nwosu, don tok say the party leaders resign with their full mind so that former Senate President David Mark and ex-Osun State Governor Rauf Aregbesola fit come take charge to help reposition both the party and the country. Nwosu tok dis one on Wednesday for Shehu Musa Yar'Adua Center, Abuja, during the unveiling of ADC as a new platform for opposition coalition wey go challenge President Bola Tinubu government come 2027. Nwosu tok say the plan no be to just collect power, but to move Naija go front so the world go begin see Naija well.
Nigerians are yearning for change. Nigerians are yearning for coalition because they feel that they want all of you, everybody, to come together. If you're well-meaning and if you're for the country, come together.
It is a journey that we are prepared to undertake, united in our collective belief that no price or sacrifice is too high in the service of our fatherland. It is on record that within 2 years of the current administration coming to power, it has hijacked all democratic institutions and sent our country on a creeping descent into total civilian dictatorship. The blatant destabilization and infiltration of all major opposition political parties is aimed at achieving only one objective: to enhance total state capture and leave Nigerians with no alternative options in 2027.
Dem announced David Mark as interim national chairman of the ADC coalition and Rauf Aregbesola as interim secretary. People who attend the unveiling and they involved for the coalition movement na ogbonge political people like 2023 presidential candidate Atiku Abubakar of PDP, Peter Obi of Labour Party, and former Osun State Governor Rauf Aregbesola. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. Ohifemi Onosimoa, TMC News.